Welcome to myotcstore.com, an online store for OTC medicines, vitamins, beauty and cosmetics, and also baby needs. We are also specialized in OTC medicines, mother and baby, bath and beauty, diet and vitamins, and household too. We are providing free shipping for orders over $25. Use coupon code FREESHIP25, an exclusive offer for YouTube viewers. Now we are featuring Optimum Cleaning Disinfecting Storage Solution by Lobob. It is a 4-ounce container. Helps for rigid gas permeable contact lenses. It prevents lens warpage and disinfects and provides a sterile hydrating solution. This Optimum Cleaning Disinfecting Storage Solution by Lobob is a sterile cleansing, disinfecting and storage solution for use with fluorosilicon acrylate and silicon acrylate rigid gas permeable RGP contact lenses. When used as directed Optimum by Lobob, a CDS solution which is a cleans, disinfects and provides sterile hydrating storage for RGP and hard contact lenses, preventing warpage of the lens and adherence of contaminants to the lens surface. Some of the features of Optimum Cleaning Disinfecting Storage Solution is hard contact lenses were used with this solution and disinfects and provides a sterile hydrating solution. Prevents lens warpage and do not test with solution on any animal. Please do not test this on any animal. Contains no polyquat, chlorohexidine, polyaminopropyl or PAT. Not for use directly in the eye. While using this product, always wash and rinse hands before handling contact lenses because we are using this solution for eye area. So please remember to rinse hands for every time of using this product. Cleans and stores lenses in Optimum CDS after each removal. To avoid lens mix-up, always clean right lens first and left lens last. Optimum CDS is not for use directly in the eye. First of all, clean the lens by removing right lens and place in palm of your hand. Cup hand and cover lens completely with 10 drops of Optimum CDS solution. Rub lens for 30 seconds using the index finger of the other hand, creating a sudsy pool of solution. Note that the greater the sudsing action, the better the cleaning performance. Rinse the lens thoroughly with running cold tap water. The product against flaws, always close sink drain when cleansing lenses. To disinfect the lenses, place the lens in the right chamber of your lens storage case and completely cover the lens with Optimum CDS solution. Repeat the procedure with left lens also. Store the lens in the lens storage, lens case and lenses in the unopened case for at least 6 hours. To reinsert, remove the right lens from the lens storage case and rinse thoroughly as directed by your eye care practitioner. All Optimum CDS solution must be completely rinsed from the lens before insertion. Apply 2 drops of lubricating and wetting solution such as Optimum WRW to all surfaces of the lenses. Apply 2 drops of lubricating and wetting solution such as Optimum WRW to all surfaces of the lenses and place the lenses in eye. Repeat the procedure with the left lens too. Store at room temperature of 59 to 86 degrees of Fahrenheit. While using this product, please follow the warnings. If you are allergic to any ingredient in Optimum CDS solution, do not use this product. Please keep out of reach of children. Not for use with soft hypoallergenic lenses. This product is distributed by Lobob Corporation. We are offering this product in myotcstore.com at special price $10.18 only. This offer is for limited time only. Please avail this offer and buy at myotcstore.com. Remember, we are also offering free shipping for orders over $25. Use coupon code FREESHIP25. Again I am repeating, coupon code FREESHIP25. You can also call us and place an order over the phone for this item. Call 800-361-2084. Thank you for watching.